What up YouTube, it's Danny back with another video. Today, I'm very excited. First of all, I don't know if you guys know this. In fact, you probably don't unless you're like friends with me like in real life and not just somebody who watches me on YouTube. But I bought the Series 9 Apple Watch back on September 27th, and I will never forget that day. That was the day my brother was in a horrible motorcycle accident and actually died for about a minute and a half. Shout out to the paramedics, Kansas City, Kansas paramedics. They revived him. Chest compressions and basically CPR or whatever they use made, he came back to life. He's doing well. He's walking with a cane now. He was in a wheelchair for a while and he still uses a wheelchair. But he shattered his pelvis completely in several places and broke his leg. It was quite scary, and I for a minute had lost my brother, which is devastating. So I had just bought the Apple Watch when I got the call and didn't even make a video. In fact, once I figured out he was fine and okay, it took a couple hours. I had the Apple Watch with me at the hospital. I just opened it there and put it on and didn't make a video, didn't really talk anything about the Series 9 Apple Watch. So it's a great watch, and I've owned it for 2 months, I believe, but I want more, and that's what this video is about. So this Apple Watch, my dad is buying from me. So he agreed to pay basically full price for it because, I mean, it's new. It's a 2-month-old watch. I've got a case on it. That Watch Series 9, there's nothing wrong with it. I actually love it. It's been the best Apple Watch I've owned yet, up until obviously this video. So it's a great watch, but it's going to my father because Ultra 2. I bought the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm very, very excited to open it up. So no, I don't hike. No, I don't climb mountains. No, I don't travel like that. I just want one. They're just cool. Okay, and you don't have to do all that to get one. You just buy one if you want it. It does cost a ton more, but look at this art book you get. It's very nice. And this is the loop I went with, by the way, the first loop. Wasn't a fan of that loop, not a fan of that loop. I am a fan of that loop. So he had it in Alpine and I was gonna get the blue and tan one, but I changed my mind. So yeah, cool. Art book, you'll see here in a second. The one I chose, but for now, here's the actual watch itself. Very nice, very beautiful. So we're gonna open it up here in a second, and here's the band I got. And I wanted medium and large. This might be a small to medium, which should be fine. Doesn't really say, but yeah, let's go ahead and set it up. I'm beyond excited to do that. Love the box material, by the way, from Apple. So that's very nice of you, Apple. Very, very eco-friendly as well. Let's go and get the band open first. And yeah, my cat just pooped. You can hear him scratching their box. You gookie. Nice little poopy. Look at that. See, this is why I chose that color. I was gonna get blue or Alpine or whatever they call it, but this like greenish tan, it matches the titanium watch very well. And actually, it might just be a one size thing. Actually, no, right here. It's just a 49 millimeter. I don't know. I think it's gonna fit just fine. So if it doesn't, then I'll get one that does. Not a big deal. But I think it'll be all right because my wrists are not huge. I have pretty small wrist. How does this adjust? We'll do that in a second. Let's get the watch open. I don't know what I'm stalling for. Again, nice eco-friendly packaging, very much. Very much nice. I should finish my sentence. There we go. Designed by Apple in California with coordinates. And there is a, ooh, is that woven? That is a woven cable. I don't know if my other one is. The Series 9 one, I don't know if it's woven, but this one is. Very nice. This thing's heavy. And it's quality heavy. It's not crazy heavy, but like, yeah, MKBHD said you can definitely tell a difference. And yeah, absolutely. How does this paper come off without me ripping it? I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, I guess I did it right. There you go. Well, maybe not quite, but yeah, still. That is a quality heavy face. I love it. Okay, so let's see how this is. The bottom always has the, I'm pretty sure the bottom always has the size on it, so that should just slide. Firmly grasp it. Ah, yes. This watch feels so premium. I love the way it feels. Look at that. Okay, and then yeah, so that is the correct way. So then this loop is, again, different than what I'm used to. So I think that pulls out like that. Yeah. And then I can adjust it to my actual wrist size. This is very nice. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, the medium size is plenty big. This, in fact, the large would have been too big. Okay, just gotta get used to it. So that, let me get this out of the way. Pulls down like that. And then I need to connect the loop. I would say, I like to wear mine a little tight, so like that. There we go, it is on. So now, I'm gonna turn on the actual watch. Okay. Apple comes up. Sorry, weird angle. Give me a second. Let me just do that. And then it's going to have me sync with the phone here in a second, I'm sure. I'll just kind of move that stuff out of the way. And yes, I'm shooting in the light box. Why not, right? It's a perfect place. You can see everything perfectly. All right, bring iPhone near Apple Watch. All right. The iPhone should. Yep, there it is. Use this iPhone to set up your Apple Watch. Setting up for myself. Alright, now we're going to sync it to where you can see the watch. Your Apple Watch is paired. I'm going to do restore from backup. And it's, look at all my old watches, guys. So we've got the current Series 9. There's the blue Series 7. This, what is this one? Series 5? Yeah, that's Series 5. Series 4, Series 3, Series 2. I mean, watches. Okay, so this is the very first one. 2017. Look at all these backups. That is wild. So I'm going to do this Apple Watch, hit continue. Activating Apple Watch, this will take a few minutes. So this is a cellular Apple Watch, of course, because this is series, it's the Ultra Series 2. So I got it through AT&T. Really good deal. Really good deal. Titanium and ceramic case. I didn't realize it was both titanium and ceramic. That is so cool. This watch feels so good. And the battery life, I believe the battery life is better than the Series 9. Which is wild. And so now, yeah, it's downloading the latest watchOS. So cool. Okay. Yeah. I'm trying to continue to set it up. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. And I've got it all set up. Very nice. Finally got it all set up. It took a little while. Maybe about an hour or so. But I have all my cards set up. So I can use Apple Pay. And that orange button is flashlight. That's the action button. I have it set to flashlight, which is very nice. So, beautiful band. Very happy with this. Love the titanium color. It is ceramic on the back, which is pretty cool. but it is titanium indeed. And this is not an Alpine. Alpine is not a color. It's a type of band. This is an Alpine tan band. I almost got the Alpine blue, but I decided the tan looks really good with the titanium. And I have to say, very pleased with the band. So I'm going to miss the Nike band, but I think I like the Alpine band better. So, and I wasn't about to get orange. Orange is cool, like as an accent color, but not as a band color, in my opinion. So, yeah, but there you go. Quick video. And now you guys know what it looks like. And I'm, again, very, very happy with that. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Take care.